The Event Planner's Guide to Sourcing Venues. Successful corporate events are a blend of meticulous planning, thoughtful execution, and the ideal venue. The venue serves as the canvas on which the colors of an event comes to life, influencing attendees' experience, and contributes to the success of the event. Venue sourcing is therefore a crucial skill for any event manager. In this video, we will explore the process of venue sourcing, its relevance to event success, effective methods for sourcing venues, technology's impact on event sourcing, marketing of events, event branding, and other factors affecting venue sourcing. Let's start with the importance of event venue sourcing. Venue sourcing is the process of identifying, evaluating, and selecting an appropriate location for an event. Venue selection is vital for the event's success. It affects the venue's accessibility, suitability for the event's activities, overall attendee experience, and ultimately, achieving the event's goals. Sourcing the right venue becomes pivotal in the planning phase. Let us see the pros and cons of professional venue sourcing. Nowadays, many organizations opt for professional venue sourcing services. Professionals bring in-depth market knowledge, negotiation skills, and their extensive network, which can save time and potentially reduce costs. On the flip side, professional fees could lead to additional costs and risk misinterpretation of the event objectives, especially when not communicated effectively. Effective venue sourcing can be done in 4 steps. Step 1. Identify event goals and objectives. Determine the event's objectives, target audience, and desired outcomes. This forms the foundation upon which venue selection will be based. Step 2. Develop a venue selection criteria checklist. A checklist helps streamline the selection process. Consider factors such as location and its accessibility, venue capacity, available facilities, and pricing. Step 3. Research potential venues. Shortlist venues based on the checklist. Also, conduct site inspections to assess the feasibility and attractiveness of the venues. And finally, Step 4. Negotiations and contracting. The final phase involves negotiating prices, payment terms, and contracts. Clear and transparent contracts mitigate potential disputes. If you are not experienced in negotiating contracts, professional help can be invaluable at this stage. How about the emerging trends in venue sourcing? Technology is transforming the venue sourcing process. Digital platforms like Airbnb provide an alternative to traditional event spaces, offering a unique experience at potentially lower costs. Virtual tours enable venue inspection without being there physically. Artificial intelligence and predictive analytics streamline the sourcing process. By predicting attendee preferences and identifying suitable venues, we'll also consider event marketing and branding strategies. Aligning the venue with the event's theme reinforces the brand message. Venue selection should be made with marketing and branding in mind. Factors like venue reputation, ambience, and location can all influence attendee perception of the event and brand. To excel as event planners, we should know how to maximize opportunities and use of planning tools. Event management tools offer many features to enhance efficiency in venue sourcing. From managing attendees, ticketing and scheduling, to providing analytics and reports, thereby helping to optimize the planning process. These resources free up time to focus on enhancing attendee experiences. So, what is the ideal venue for event success? It does not solely depend on physical appeal, but also on aligning the venue's attributes with the event's objectives. Alignment includes accessibility, capacity, facilities, and a host of other factors. Determining a venue's suitability starts with understanding the event's goals and objectives. An event goal is a specific, measurable, expected outcome. An example is reaching a new audience or propelling business growth. Objectives are smaller subtasks that help achieve the goal. For instance, if the goal is to increase brand awareness, an objective might be improving event registrations using social media promotion. Aligning the venue with goals and objectives requires a systematic approach. The 5W questions framework can guide you in this process. Who are the people that will attend your event? This question identifies your attendee personas. What are the most liked event types, formats, or locations? Answers the possible strategies, layouts, and locations to be used. When will the event take place? The event start date and schedule can be determined. Where should it be located? This answers aspects of the location question. Why are you hosting the event? The why is where you answer the question of the event's goals. Answering the 5 questions help align venue selection with the event goals. After aligning the venue with event goals, some objectives to consider when evaluating venue suitability include location and accessibility. The venue should be conveniently accessible for your audience and align with the event's theme and goals. Consider factors like proximity to transport hubs, available facilities, and nearby attractions. Remember, accessibility also means provisions for people with disabilities and special needs. Capacity and layout. The venue's capacity and layout should be in sync with expected number of attendees, as well as the event's format and agenda. For instance, a conference with breakout sessions would require enough spaces to accommodate group sizes and activities. Cost and value. The cost should fit the budget and provide good value for the event. Apart from price and package comparisons, consider hidden or extra costs, like overtime and cancellation fees that may arise. Style and ambience. The venue's style and ambience should reflect your event's brand and message, with a consistent experience for attendees. This involves not just the visual appeal, but also the facilities and services provided. In addition, your event strategy is also integral to the event program. Well-defined strategies align with organizational goals and guide the successful hosting of events. Good strategy affects every aspect of your business, including the selection of an ideal venue. In conclusion, the success of an event does not hinge only on the venue's physical appeal, but also on the meticulous alignment of its attributes with the event's goals and objectives. A holistic approach to venue selection that takes into account location and accessibility, capacity, cost, style, and alignment with the event strategy is crucial to the event's success. Just in case you forgot, Corporate Event Managers remains committed to your success in event management. Thanks for watching.